pagiging beekeeping po talaga masaya. Hindi ko na-expect na I will have fun and do this, to make money. Zach nga pala, I own Nectar Nights Apiary. I chose honey business kasi actually accidental lang. I took beekeeping to go abroad pero I found love. It's good to sell pure honey to the market kaysa yung, fake. So may advocacy kami to alisin yung mga fake honey vendors sa market and sell pure honey and local honey dito sa Baguio. So dati po akong online lang, gaming and VA, teaching. So nakapagod yun kasi nasa bahay ka lang, lalo na kung full sked ka. And I tried having 3 jobs before na puro online. Ngayon, maganda kasi medyo lumalabas tayo. We're checking our own colonies. We're able to see the nature. So I guess yun yung mas maganda doon. Magandang upgrade sa buhay natin. Instead of just, staying at home. And nakiki-socialize tayo. I'm actually a introvert person. Pero ngayon, kailangan mag-excel, kailangan kumausap ng tao, kailangan may networking. Sa mga gustong mag-beekeeping, yun nga, although masaya maging beekeeper, very challenging siya. Lalo sa pagbibenta ng honey, we have to prove na yung honey natin is pure. And ilang beekeepers pa lang ang naging successful selling honey? Ilan pa lang po. Abroad employment, may chance naman po. So actually madami, kung gusto mo mag-abroad as a beekeeper, pwede. Or you can use it as a stepping stone para makapunta abroad and look for other jobs. Ang pagiging beekeeping po talaga masaya. Actually, hindi ko na-expect na I will have fun and do this to make money.